Hey there, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to put your Tesla Model 3 on a light show. Tesla show. Alright, let's go. Let's take the car outside. Guys, before we move forward, the car has to be parked. So first thing first, you got to click the toy box. And from here, schedule your show. Hit that. And then the next thing will come up. Okay, so light show, you can hit the arrival. And then it has different times, and this is the volume right here. You can turn it up. If you look at the schedule time, you can do it now or different times, and then you're gonna hit confirm. Okay, once you hit that, make sure you get out of your vehicle.
Nice! Whoa, let's go!